Hey, what's going down, y'all? Just want to say hello and thank you for joining me on episode 37 of Better Than Bad, sponsored by Third Nature, baby. Alright, as some of you may know, I love doing tribute videos, which means I find something that's inspiring, I do a piece of work, and I dedicate it to the person I designed it for. On today's episode, I'm actually going to be paying tribute to one of the most influential YouTube creators in our lifetime, Shane Dawson. And if you don't know who Shane Dawson is, he is a pioneer in YouTube. He was around from the beginning. He's one of the biggest channels in all of YouTube, and he's an incredible human being, someone to look up to, someone to pay attention to. He's done some incredible things with his life. He's worked with very close friends of mine, and I'm just super excited to be able to give back to the community and do something beautiful for a beautiful human being. So stick with me. I'm gonna go ahead and design something for his latest series called Conspiracy Theories. I love watching it, my family loves watching it, and I definitely think you should take a look at it. So without further ado, let's get started.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow. Shared my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me up, one open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow. Shared my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me up, one open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart,
right, that's how we do it here in the Phase 2 Photo Studio. Thank you so much for joining me today down that digital journey we call Photoshop. Once again, huge shout out and a thank you for being my inspiration, Shane. You are absolutely amazing. Keep doing what you do. Thank you for being an inspiration to all of us fellow YouTube creators and giving us something to aspire to. Without you, there would be no us, and vice versa. With all that said, take a look at his new docu-series, Conspiracy Theories. If you guys have any questions, you would like to know how I did something, just let me know. I've got some brushes, I've got some tools, I've got some giveaways down below. You guys can always send me a message. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, of course. I'm literally everywhere. Feel free to contact me and let's get a conversation started below. And if you would like to see your face here and you want to see what can be done using your images, I urge you to get a hold of me and let's make some things happen. If you're a producer by any chance and you want to have your music featured, I would also love to speak with you. Third Nature is constantly seeking new artists and new producers, singers, you name it, and we like to feature your music on episodes just like this. So once again, get a hold of me, let's make some real things happen. And I just want to remind you, you may not be the best, but we're all definitely better than bad.